Permanent partial disability, or PPD, is an award for a specific body part that's been injured in a workplace injury. PPD is not a settlement. It's a cash payout for a specific body part that's been set by the state for any kind of workplace injury. It's important to consider PPD when thinking about the rating. A rating is set by a doctor and determines the amount of your payout. The rating can be too low or it can be too high, but you want to make sure that your rating is appropriate. And the only way to know whether your rating is appropriate or not is to talk to an attorney. And timing is important, because if your claim is ready to close and you're going to receive a PPD award, you want to talk to an attorney before you receive that award, because if it's too low, it may be too late. The PPD award is based on a disability benefit schedule set by the Department of Labor and Industries. A doctor will provide you with a rating examination, either your doctor or a doctor chosen by the state, and then the state will pay you an award based upon that schedule of benefits. It's important to get the highest rating possible because that will correlate to the amount of money that you receive at the closure of your claim. Only an attorney can hire a doctor to obtain a rating for you. And this is important. If an individual tries to obtain a rating on their own, the doctor may refuse to do the rating because they may be concerned that the injured worker is paying the doctor to obtain a higher rating. An attorney, who's protected by the attorney work product privilege, can hire a doctor that, if the report is positive, can use that later in court to get your higher award. If the rating is not positive, the attorney doesn't have to use that report in court. This is why it's important to hire an attorney right away. Emery Reddy can help you using our qualified team of experts to obtain the highest rating possible so that you know when your claim closes, you're going to get the amount that you're entitled to. Give us a call today.